guys, welcome to the KEI. We're making tortillas.
Okay, so we have our grated cheese, our tomatoes, our other grated cheese, our expired tortillas, our butter for the pan. Mr. Troy, Teflon pan.
Oh my god.
It slips off because it's Teflon. We can have everybody at the beach club taste it.
I hear the people. Tell your buddies.
Okay.
Who are you working with right now?
I'm working with Spencer, Mac, Luca.
Okay, we're bringing in some tortillas.
Yeah.
Or some quesadillas.
Tell them get ready for the tortillas.
Buttery. It's soggy
Hey,
now.
it's kind of going like pita bread. Like it's like
It'll turn golden though.
It don't smell right.
golden.
That's because the tortillas are expired.
Alright,
Thank you, Elena Thaler.
So we're going to
like looking like that. Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay.
That's a
Oh my god,
All
that's
right,
a
we
lot
should
of
put the other
cheese.
cuts down. No, you flip.
It don't smell right.
Jesus,
We should make a song out of it. It's
Whoa! That's why it doesn't.
It's not burnt.
That's burnt.
That is crispy.
It's-
like oh.
Oh!
Tortilla. Oh, now we repeat. Good.
We're going to the beach club to get our
Follow us
judges.
on this adventure. Let's go, guys.
There's only the 4 of us and we need 2 judges.
Two
So
family.
who are they gonna be the brave souls to eat our quesadilla?
Look,
We're here at
those
the
are our
beach
taste
club.
testers.
We're here at the beach club. It's prime spot. These are expert chefs. So it's about to be chopped. Are we gonna get chopped? Or are we gonna get saved is the real question. Master Chef. It's
They're
tortillas.
beautiful. Ooh. Video.
Wait,
No.
what's in it?
No,
What'd you put
these
in
There's
it?
no tomatoes here.
These don't have
The
tomatoes.
burnt
Those
ones have
okay,
no
wait.
tomato.
Okay, ready?
They're scared.
It's probably
Oh,
cold.
Mark likes a double bite. He's like, ew.
It's 1 to 4?
Yeah.
I give a solid 3.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay. Ooh.
Mark,
Mark.
You guys want these back?
No.
It's cold. It's cold.
Mark,
It's
what,
cold and it's good.
what's the
Wait,
what's the verdict?
3.5.
Ooh! The sunset.
What do you
Well, we got another
Oh,
judge.
Quesadilla. Wait, 1 to
This is
4.
for our
Mr. Troy
chemistry
tastes it.
video.
Don't worry.
Scale of 1 to 4.
1 to
One's
4.
the
4 is
worst.
the best.
Four's
4
the
is the best.
Well, what's the
Another
verdict?
double bite.
It's kind of cold.
That's alright.
So I'll give it a 3.
Okay, all right.
Yes,
You did a good
Nice.
job.
So.
Wait, okay. Wait. You can see the top of your head when you're down.
I meant to. Okay, maybe I should move it over a little. Okay, so this is a grater originated from India.
And you're just gonna like
Great.
grate the
Teflon Dawn over here, spitting facts. No, do the Fortnite dance.
Put this other one in your gas in my house.
right. The bread's expired. But it's all right to eat expired bread. I looked it up, so it's all right. You won't get hooked.